Dreaming of sailing the vast oceans, exploring enchanting destinations, and indulging in luxury? An ocean cruise might be the perfect vacation for you. The first step is selecting the appropriate cruise line. Each has its own style, amenities, and target clientele. Research to find the one that aligns best with your preferences and budget. Once you've chosen a cruise line, it's time to select your itinerary. Consider the destinations and the duration of your cruise. Assess the amenities and organize your daily plans accordingly. Preparing for a cruise differs slightly from other vacations. Conduct research on the dining choices available on your specific ship and make reservations if necessary. Familiarize yourself with the ship and its layout once on board. Safety is of utmost importance on cruise ships. Familiarize yourself with the ship's safety protocols and practice good hygiene. Investigate and reserve shore excursions ahead of time to optimize your time on land. There's an outing for every interest, from crystal clear waters to historical landmarks. Most importantly, remember that a voyage is a vacation. Take time to unwind, relax, and relish in the journey. With a little planning, you'll be well prepared to maximize your vacation on the cruise. Bon voyage!